Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress Bash script. Today we are going to learn how to create a full-fledged WordPress installation with the help of the Bash script. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. For WordPress installation, you need to install the WP CLI, which you have uploaded the latest tutorial on my channel just one before the video. Okay, so you can just check it out, right? Otherwise I will show the steps what it is, how to install the WP CLI. This is a command that you need to install, then this follow this procedure, then permissions, then move that one. After this installation, then you are able to install the WordPress with the help of the Bash script. So I will show you the Bash script over here. So here we go with the Bash script. Okay, so let's try to get into it. Okay, so here we have a WordPress DB name and the password you need to add, title, admin user, admin password, admin email, and which directory. Okay, then here we have to extract the download, then unzip it, then copy, then give you the permissions of that one. Okay, so next step we have configure the WordPress, like copying the WP config file, then seed the database name, username and the password over to it. Okay, then set up the WordPress installation with the help of this command. Okay, Rajnik, on this is my Linux users which I am using over here. Okay, to install this one with this URL, title, user, password and the admin email. Okay, then remove all whatever we have a temp files to that one, then echo WordPress installation completed. Let's create this one. Okay, and run the script. Okay, so we can just go with this one, cd bash. Okay, test.sh, and let's try to run this one. Okay, WordPress installed successfully, WordPress installation completed. Let's check this URL. Okay, so here we go with this one. You can see the WordPress is installed with the WP directory. If I go with the WP login and what is the password and all, let's see this one. This is our admin password and the user is admin. Let's add this one. Currently there is an issue with the CSS in my current Linux, so ignore this one. Okay, so login. So with these details you can see the WordPress is here, right? You don't need to do anything, just within us you can say about the fraction of minutes you can see the WordPress install, database is linked. Okay, if you have the another one, here is this one, like if you create the MySQL, if the user is not there or something, then you can use these commands, right? Create database if not exists, DB name, create user if not exists, then create that user, grant all the privileges to that DB and the that user, then flush the privileges. You can uncomment this part also if you want to create the user section. Currently this user, this information is already there, WP database is also there. Okay, that the thing. Okay, make sure here to set up the WordPress installation, WP CLI should be installed. If it is not installed, then it will not work. Okay, so make sure to run this script neatly, and you can fraction of minutes you can install the WordPress like a pro. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.